Hey guys, it's Gymnastics Girls and I'm Elizabeth. I'm going to be doing some more burps for you. Hopefully you enjoy them. And by the way, I haven't been burping that well lately. I don't know why, but so I'm going to try my hardest to make them really good. Enjoy! Wow. That was a relief. I haven't done it that good for a while. Yay! Hey. Hate it when that happens. That's what I've kind of been doing lately, and it's really, really, really annoying. Alright. Let's try this again. Alright. That's all I'm going to do right now. Because I'm not doing that great. Actually, wait, I feel one coming. Oh, no, I don't. Alright, yeah, sorry about the really bad burps, but the first one was pretty good. Alright, so hopefully it was okay. Not my best, but I tried. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.